Namaste students, I'm your Anupam ma'am and this is your EVS class. Today we are going to study about cultivation of plants. In previous class we have studied about terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. But today we will see that how these plants grow, how farmers grow the crops in the field. So we will see today we are going to see the steps of farming, that is cultivation of plants means kheti. Farmer used to grow crops like sugarcane, maize, wheat, rice. So today we will see the how farmer grows these crops. So first of all, what happened, farmer used to plow the field. Plowing is done by uh, tractor. Nowadays plowing is done by tractor because it is easy to use and it plow bigger areas in less time. But earlier it was done by ox or animals. You can see in this picture animals are plowing the field, but nowadays it is done by tractors because tractor can plow bigger area of the field. After plowing the field, what happens, what is the advantage of plowing the field? Because after plowing, soil get loosened and soft. So after plowing the field, farmer can easily sprinkle the seeds. Sprinkle means छिड़कना. After plowing, farmer used to sprinkle the seeds, and after that, after sprinkling seeds, they used to water the field. किसी भी प्लांट्स को जब आप बोते हैं तो उसमें वाटर ज़रूरी होता है बिकॉज प्लांट इज़ अ लिविंग थिंग. सो प्लांट ऑल्सो नीड वाटर, plant also need nutrients for their survival. So after sprinkling seed, they water the plant grows. So after watering, small plants grow after few weeks. But along with these plants, some weeds are also starts growing. What is weeds? You can ask, what is weed? So weeds are undesirable plants who grow along with cultivated plants. So what is the harm of weeds? You can say that weeds can harm the growth of cultivated plant. Growth means अगर आप ऐसे समझिए कि अगर आपके घर में खाना बना है और पहले से और उसके बाद 3-4 लोग आ जाएं तो फिर आपके हिस्से का खाना खा लेंगे. Exactly the same happened with the cultivated plants. The undesirable plant started taking their food, their nutrients, their water from the soil. So it affect the growth of the cultivated plants. So farmer used to remove these weeds from the field. So weeds are undesirable plants and it harm the growth of cultivated plant. So it is removed from the soil while cultivating. So after removing weeds, plants started growing properly. Farmer use fertilizer or other nutrients to growing to get more crops from the field. So these are about cultivation of plants. Now this is the time for assignment. You have to make notes of or write a step of cultivation of plants and some cultivated plants. You have to make a list of cultivated plants and the process of cultivation in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.